Google Drive, one of the most important services, it makes storing and saving documents very easy. Did you know that like all the other apps, Google also offers dark mode in Google Drive. Dark mode theme offers two benefits. It reduces the strain on your eyes and also helps in saving your smartphone battery. So if you are using Google Drive on your Android smartphone, then you can easily enable dark mode in the app. Here are some simple steps in which you can enable the dark theme on Google Drive. Firstly, open Google Drive on your Android phone. Now tap on the hamburger placed on the top left corner of the screen. After this, tap on the settings tab. Now tap on choose theme. Now you can choose dark light or system default theme. After selecting the dark theme, the Google Drive on your smartphone will appear in dark color. Thank you for watching. My name is Franklin. Subscribe for more.